There is these incredible relationships between the animals and a rich history of First Nations cultural use here and storytelling and just so much experience. We are lucky enough to have one of the last Xenaksiala speakers with us. Louisa came and traveled with us on this trip, and her knowledge is invaluable. It is such an honor to have her as a guest on this trip. We must understand that we are guests in their territory, and it is an honor that they allow us to be here. Seeing this land through the eyes of the First Nations, listening to their stories truly broadens the experience for me and for all of us. The history of what the First Nations have endured is a tragic part of Canadian history, with so much still to be understood and reconciled. Listening to her stories, how she fought for the return of their poles, and how many of their elders are fighting to protect this land, this beautiful part of the Great Bear Rainforest, was deeply moving. This land must be protected. Louisa is one of the many brave First Nations women who have been and still are fighting tirelessly to defend it.